What? Cheese? Is that what you said? Okay. Tyler's been eating corn on the cob. You ready? One more? Ready? Watch this. Is that good? How's that? No pictures, please. Here, you want this? Take it. Go ahead. What are you going to do with it? Ow, it's like an animal. Is that good? Uh-oh. Is that good? Huh? Yum. That feel good on your gums? Ah, what an animal. An animal. What do you want? You can't have more yet. You gotta finish that one. Good? You're getting it too. What a mess. What a mess. Woo!